What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys, and today I'm going to show you guys a notification trick on your Galaxy phone that will allow you to open your notifications quickly inside of an application you're already viewing without disturbing the experience. Now this is actually a trick I've been using for a long time, but it never really occurred to me to make a video because I didn't realize that other people didn't know about it until I saw a tweet the other day, and I will give credit to those guys as well. So we're going to get into that and discuss it. Before we do want to give a shout out to my 3-year-old son, Jonathan. As always, we got some dinos to hang out in the video. We've got the Gallimimus, and then also over here, the beautiful green and yellow Brachiosaurus. Always appreciate my son for giving us some toys to hang out in the video. Also, if you want to save some money on your wireless service, you can do so by switching to my friends and partners over at Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile has premium wireless starting at just $15 a month. And also, they have one of their best deals of the year going on right now. With this deal, you can basically get any of their plans for $15 a month, and you can also get 6 months of the Paramount Plus Essential plan on them, which means basically you're going to get that for free, in addition to the $15 plan amount for any of their various plans. They got the 5 gig, 15, 20, and the unlimited plan. Now, I do, of course, recommend that since the unlimited plan is $15 a month, the usual price is $30 a month, that you take advantage of that 50% off and go ahead and go with the unlimited plan. But you can choose any of the ones for your needs. All their plans come with limited talk and text, nationwide coverage, mobile hotspot included as well. Get either an eSIM or a physical SIM. If your phone, of course, supports eSIM like the S24 Ultra. We've been using them here in Phoenix for a long, long time. Me and my family, we love the service. If you want to give it a try, go to trymintmobile.com/Springer. Check it out. It is a limited time offer, so you guys want to take advantage of it as soon as possible. And we do appreciate Mint for being partners with the channel. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this trick. If you get a notification, so let's say that you're inside of an application, and first of all, let me give credit to the guys who were discussing this over on Twitter/X. The one Sid, who I follow, I've talked about him on the channel a couple times. He does One UI news, leaks, etc. He made a tweet yesterday saying, "What's one UI tip trick you wish you knew sooner?" Share it with everyone below. And of course, I decided to read the replies just to see if there were any interesting ones that I had never thought about making some videos on to let you guys know. And show how Alan here, one of the guys who also follows me over on Twitter, and I follow him as well. Or do I follow him? Yes, I do. I was going to say. Also, another great Samsung content creator. He said, opening the notification of an app in pop-up view without interrupting the current app. It never occurred to me to make a video about this because it's such a simple feature, and this is going to be a quick video for that reason. But basically, here's how it works. If you're in an application like Twitter/X, just go to the notification panel if you get a notification. For instance, I have this persistent one for my Rivian. You can long press on it, and you can drag it anywhere you want, including if you don't want to interrupt your current app, you can go ahead and just open it in pop-up view. It's going to go ahead and open the application right there, and then you'll be good to go. You can see right here, then you can, of course, minimize it just like you normally would. You can also maximize it. You can get the little X there, and then this 3-dot menu, which, of course, gives you the same contextual options you would usually have on a pop-up window. Now, the other thing, of course, you can do is if you wanted, you could also drag this into a split screen view, either from there or, once you already get it in pop-up view. So like this, drag it down, you can drag it to the top or the bottom in split screen view, and then you'll have the application from your notification there inside of the current application you're viewing in split screen view. Now, it's a very simple feature, but I think a lot of people probably don't know about this one. Another one that I really do like as well is if you do have an application send you an app notification and it comes in right here on the little toast, you can also swipe down to open this. And actually someone else was demonstrating this in this thread. I don't have an incoming notification right now. Let's see if I can find it and I'll show you guys. What I'm talking about here is, this is an illustration with, I think, ColorOS, but if you have a notification come in, like this WhatsApp, you can just swipe down and that'll automatically open it in a pop-up window. You can respond and then get back to your work in the current app or on your home screen in this instance with the one that he's showing here. So a very cool feature at the end of the day, one that I use a lot, but I never really thought about making a video. If you guys are interested, definitely try this feature out. Let me know if you find this helpful. Like, comment, subscribe with the notification icon. If you guys are interested in saving some money on your wireless service, go to trymintmobile.com/Springer. The link's in the pinned comment description as well to get the unlimited plan, $15 a month right now, as well as that 6 months of Paramount Plus Essentials on Mint Mobile for a limited time only. Appreciate you guys checking it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.